Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can craft furniture in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to craft something, of course, first of all, you need to have this crafting table first. And then you can click on this icon. Then you can select something that you want to craft. And you need to unlock the recipe. Go to the watch menu and then select recipe, and here you will be able to see the recipe to craft something. All right, and I'm going to craft, for example, mirror. I'm going to select floor mirror. We can click on craft. Okay, and now it's done. Oops, no, it's still processing. Okay, done. And make sure that you already have the material to do the crafting. For example, this mirror, we need to have timber, stone, and also the quality timber. And I've already crafted the mirror, and then I can place the mirror in my home. Let me find the mirror. Alright, this is the mirror, and I'm going to place it here. Okay, done. Okay guys, and that's how we can craft furniture in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.